Excuse me, is this the gym?
Yes, welcome. Is it your first time?
Yes, I don't know anything. Where do I start?
Don't worry. What is your goal? Lose weight or get stronger?
I want to lose weight, but I also want big arms.
Okay, let's start with the treadmill. Just walk for now.
How fast?
Start slow. Speed 3 is good for beginners.
Like this?
Perfect. After 10 minutes, we go to the weights.
Weights? Already?
Light weights. Don't worry, you will be fine.
Okay. How many days do I need to come here?
3 days a week is great to start.
3 days. I can do that.
And drink water. Always drink water.
Got it. Water, treadmill, light weights.
You are a fast learner.
Or maybe a very nervous beginner.
That's how everyone starts. You're doing great.